Okay, fine. So we had completed biomolecule part. Biomolecules, what are macro, what are micro, based on their molecular weight. Not only based on molecular weight, but also based on their acid solubility. One was acid soluble pool, and another was acid insoluble pool or acid insoluble fraction. Acid soluble pool were those, obviously, that were smaller in size, and we had treated them with trichloroacetic acid. Okay, perfect. One was retenant, an acid insoluble fraction, but exceptionally lipid which is having molecular weight less than 800 Dalton. Lipid which is having molecular weight less than 800 Dalton, so as considered to be the micromolecule which is expected to be present in acid soluble fraction, and in filtrate it was absent in that. Anyone? Why it was? Anyone?
It's
Why it was?
bipolar.
Due to the
Due to
non-polar
its
nature.
non-polarity.
Okay, due to its non-polarity. Perfect. Very good. Okay. So वो एक्सेप्शन आपसे नीट में पूछा जा सकता है. Perfect. Then we switch to analysis. One is quantitative analysis, one is qualitative analysis. Anyone? Ojas, can you tell me what is the difference between quantitative analysis and qualitative analysis?
Sir, in quantitative analysis, we know the presence or absence of a biomolecule, but we need to find out the amount.
Perfect.
And in qualitative, we analyze to find the presence or absence.
Perfect. Very nice. Very good. Qualitative, we find presence and absence, and quantitative, we know the presence and we need to find out the amount. Perfect. After that, we switch to amino acids, which are the derivative of methane, based on their carboxylic group, based on amino group, that may be classified as acidic, basic, or a neutral. One is C terminus, one was N terminus. Based on that, the N terminus of first amino acid joins with the C terminus of the next amino acid with a peptide bond. And this type of peptide bond, Gayatri, this type of synthesis is known as
The primary structure.
dehydration synthesis condensation reaction. Perfect. So, Mohini, are you there, Mohini?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, if there are 3 peptide bonds in a chain, what should be the name of a chain?
Tripeptide bond.
My goodness, wrong. It should be
Tertiary.
Quadpeptide.
it should be tetrapeptide, because the name of the peptide chain is not based on the number of amino acid, number of peptide bond, but it is based on the number of amino acid residues. So 3 peptide bonds are there. If 3 peptide bonds, definitely there must be 4 amino acid residues. So the name of the chain will be called as tetrapeptide. Perfect. That we did it. We are done with this. Then protein structure. We already done primary, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary. Primary is straight line structure. Secondary is twisted and
Alpha
folded
helix.
helix or beta plate. Tertiary one was random structure. It is just like a thread that we use in what क्या कहते हैं उसे मांझा पतंग की डोर जो होती है ना, that
Very
structure.
complex.
उसको हमने कह दिया the most proteins are in that tertiary structure. So there are so many bonds in tertiary. Most of the proteins found in nature are in tertiary structure. उसमें number of bonds, उसमें name of the bonds. Dr. MJ, what are the bonds present in tertiary structure of protein? Dr. Gunjal.
Yes, sir.
Name of the bonds present in tertiary structure of a protein.
Hydrophobic bond, van der Waals bond, ionic bond, peptide bond, hydrogen bond, and disulfide bridge.
Perfect, perfect. Aditi कोई बॉन्ड छूट रहा है क्या? Aditi परदेशी.
Sir, hydrogen bond.
Perfect, very nice. Those are the bonds present in tertiary structure of protein. Very nice. After that, now we have to start with enzymes. Friends, we should start with enzymes. And this number should everyone note. This is called, you should update your phone book with Pathak sir's DC number. DC number means क्या होता है बच्चों? If I'll share a question paper with you on a PDF format, then you will get it. You have to get it solved. Once it will be solved, I'll share the answers. You should check the answers, and whatever the minus marks or negative questions that you made it wrong, you should share. When I will tell you, जब मैं आपसे कहूं कि today is our DC class or this doubt clearing class, then that day only, during the class, you should share those images of the question on this number. This is my DC number. Perfect. That I'm using only for class doubt discussions. So you can update with my DC number. And everyone is requested and suggested not to call me frequently, rather to message me. Because in most of the time I'm in my class, so unable to pick your calls. Better drop me the message if you have any doubt. Okay, chaliye. Let us start with enzymes. Heading डालिए enzymes. Audibility and visibility is clear. Shreya Bade, is it?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Good to go for enzymes. Pen down, just focus and concentrate on my words. Because in distant education, you need to be focused what I am saying. What teacher is delivering, the focus must be completely on that one. Enzymes are those biocatalysts. तो बच्चों पहली कहानी तो यहीं से शुरू होगी. What are biocatalysts? Enzymes are those biocatalysts that enhance the rate of reaction or velocity of the reaction by lowering down the activation energy barrier and without disturbing the chemical equilibrium. कितने सारे क्वेश्चंस हो गए एक स्टेटमेंट. लेट मी रिपीट द स्टेटमेंट. लिखना नहीं अभी, सुनना है बस. क्योंकि बायोलॉजी में लेमार्क साहब की थ्योरी कहती है यूज एंड डिसयूज ऑफ ऑर्गन्स. द ऑर्गन व्हिच विल बी इन यूज will gradually develops. The organ which will not be in use will gradually reduce and ultimately eliminate. आने वाले 2-4 पीढ़ी बाद यदि दिमाग पूरा खत्म हो जाए तो आने वाली नस्लें चिल्लाएंगी बापू ये क्या किया, थोड़ा तो इसका यूज किया होता है ना, तो ज्यादा बचा रहता ना वो. सो इंस्टीड ऑफ ये पेन से लिखना, हर चीज को पेन से लिखना, अब वो छोड़ देना. वी आर नॉट इन 10th. बैक टू द पॉइंट. Enzymes are those biocatalysts. Listen carefully. Enzymes are those biocatalysts that enhance the rate of reaction. Obviously, if it is a catalyst, it should enhance the reaction, but by lowering down the activation energy barrier and without disturbing the chemical equilibrium. ऐसे कैसे कर सकता है? Let me write the statement. आपको नहीं लिखना. Those, मैं समय दूंगा आपको. Those biocatalysts, या चलिए लिख लीजिए मेरे साथ ताकि समय हमारा बेस्ट यूटिलाइज होगा. लिख लीजिए. Those biocatalysts which enhance the rate of reaction, मैं स्लैंग लैंग्वेज में लिख रहा हूं RXN. आपको रिएक्शन लिखना है. दोस्त, है ना? मैं कैसे भी लिखूं, आपको सही से लिखना है क्योंकि मैं टीचर हूं, आप बच्चे हैं, राइट? Those biocatalysts which enhance the rate of reaction by lowering the activation energy barrier and without disturbing the chemical equilibrium. Perfect. Now we try to understand what those words are. I hope you noted. Repeating my words with explanation. Enzymes are those biocatalysts. Catalysts are those that enter into the reaction, enhance the rate. Perfect. This is catalyst. किसी रेट को बढ़ा रहे हैं तो वो कैटालिस्ट हो गया, रिएक्शन को बढ़ा रहे हैं वो कैटालिस्ट हो गया. Why biocatalyst? Because our enzymes can never perform any activity outside the body or outside the living system. अब आप कहेंगे सर टेस्ट ट्यूब में भी तो हम करते हैं, बट टेस्ट ट्यूब में जो आप एंजाइमेटिक रिएक्शन करते हैं वो पूरी तरह से केमिकल रिएक्शन होती है, उसको एंजाइमेटिक रिएक्शन नहीं कहते, उसको केमिकल रिएक्शन कहते हैं, क्योंकि एंजाइम वर्ड is used only in terms of living beings, which is needed to maintain our metabolism. और मेटाबॉलिज्म दोस्तों नॉन लिविंग में नहीं होता. सो those biocatalysts, ये क्लियर हुआ, that enhance the rate of reaction, जो रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन को बढ़ाते हैं obviously, by lowering the activation energy barrier. अब एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी बैरियर क्या होता है? Whatever the reaction in nature, whatever the reaction, I'm not talking about living, whatever the reaction is. यदि मैं कैरम बोर्ड पर एक स्ट्राइकर से खेल रहा हूं और स्ट्राइकर से मैंने मारा, तो यार मिनिमम एनर्जी उसको इतनी तो लगेगी ना कि स्ट्राइकर आगे बढ़े. मिनिमम एनर्जी तो लगेगी. वो एनर्जी सो कॉल्ड एज थ्रेशोल्ड, वो एनर्जी जो मिनिमम स्ट्राइकर को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए जरूरी है, वो उसकी एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी. मैंने कढ़ाई रख दी बर्नर पर, यार मुझे निकालनी थी बढ़िया गरम गरम पूरी मुझे निकालनी थी. अब पूरी मुझे निकालनी थी और मैंने तेल रख दिया और डाल दिया मैंने उसमें, पूरी बनी नहीं रही है. क्यों बनेगी भाई? मिनिमम एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी तो हो, उसको रिएक्ट होने के लिए मिनिमम एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी तो उसे लगेगी. दैट इज नोन एज थ्रेशोल्ड. भाई अभी आप क्लास में उधर बैठे हैं, मैं कैमरे के इधर हूं, आप कैमरे के उधर हो, बड़ी अजीब सी स्थिति हो जाएगी. मुझे पता लगे कि नो वन इज देयर इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी, मुझे बस रिकॉर्डिंग करनी है. यार एक मिनिमम एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी के लिए 10 बच्चा, 15 बच्चा, 20 बच्चा तो चाहिए ना, सो दैट आई स्टार्ट माय टीचिंग. दैट मिनिमम एनर्जी आई रिक्वायर्ड ना. सो नॉट इन लिविंग, whatever the reactions are going on in nature, every reaction does require a minimum activation energy. Perfect. So यदि वो एनर्जी ही मिनिमम हो जाए तो आपको नहीं लगता रिएक्शन फास्ट हो जाएगी? अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir.
सायन
Yes.
अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. So if I'm lowering down the activation energy barrier, so by default the rate of reaction will increase. वही तो लिखा मैंने. Biocatalysts which enhance the rate of reaction by lowering the activation energy barrier and without disturbing the chemical equilibrium. और मुझे इक्विलिब्रियम को भी नहीं बिगाड़ना है. तो ये तो अजीब सी बात हो. But here what works? The law of mass action that you will go through in after some time in chemistry. Enzyme plus substrate gives enzyme substrate complex gives प्रोडक्ट और एंजाइम बाहर जैसा एंटर किया. सो डेफिनेशन विदाउट डिस्टर्बिंग द केमिकल इक्विलिब्रिया. इधर पे लॉ ऑफ मास एक्शन में एक्स अमाउंट था क्या सबस्ट्रेट का? भैया इधर पे भी एक्स निकाल दिया, नो प्रॉब्लम. मैंने जैसा एंटर किया था मैं बाहर आ गया, मैं केमिकल इक्विलिब्रिया को डिस्टर्ब नहीं कर रहा. आयशा इज आस्किंग व्हाट इज केमिकल इक्विलिब्रिया. केमिकल इक्विलिब्रिया मींस, आयशा, if I am having reactant in 5 grams or 5 units of whatever the units are. Product is also in that one. That is law of mass action. ये गड़बड़ नहीं होता. Otherwise, what one can expect, Aisha, if I'm adding enzymes in 2 grams, so it should be 7 grams, 5 plus 2. But enzyme is saying what? No problem. You added me as 2 gram, na? I'll come out as 2. I'll come out. I'll not disturb at all the chemical equilibrium. Aisha, you got it?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Perfect. So now the statement is very clear. All those biocatalysts which enhance the rate of reaction by lowering down the activation energy barrier and without disturbing the chemical equilibrium are enzymes. In a graphical way, how we can understand? X-axis, Y-axis. Here, this is the reaction and this is the product. This is the product. मुझे Y से बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए ज़्यादा. Y के अंदर ही. This is the product. So this is the minimum activation energy barrier. I should say transition state. I should say transition state. Why transition state? जब तक यार इस बैरियर को क्रॉस नहीं करता, प्रोडक्ट नहीं बना सकता. ये रिएक्टेंट है इधर A plus B. These two are the reactant. When A plus B react by crossing this energy barrier, they convert into product because this is minimum energy that they do require. Perfect. But what I observed when I add an enzyme in the reaction, this reactions completed faster. This lowering down of activation energy is just because of what? Enzyme. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
sir. Perfect. But
Yes,
now,
sir.
if you understand the concept, I have a doubt. And I expect from some people, Ankur, Samida, Sania, Prasanna, whatever the number of students are, Gitesh, Kunjal, Arpit, Anjali, Gitesh, Tanvish, Samyak, Vidhi, Gayatri, Arpita, Swanandi, Shruti, all the students, मैं सबके नाम तो नहीं ले पाऊंगा. Tell me, जिससे पूछो वही जवाब देगा. Ankur, Sayan, why I did not start with it 0? I should start the reactant with 0, na? Why I started with this point?
May I tell?
Yes, Gayatri, bolo.
Sir, because even if it is not reacting, then there is going to be some potential energy in.
Perfect. Very nice. यार इतनी तो एनर्जी रिएक्टेंट रिएक्ट कर रहे हैं तो मिनिमम पोटेंशियल एनर्जी लेके तो रिएक्ट करेंगे ना. ये भी रिएक्ट करना होगा तो इसकी भी तो कोई पोटेंशियल एनर्जी होगी. लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनामिक्स. इसका अपना कुछ एनर्जी होगा ना दोस्तों, वो तो उसमें होगा ही होगा. उसके बाद उसको कितनी की जरूरत है रिएक्ट करने के लिए. कढ़ाई मैंने बर्नर पे रखी, कढ़ाई की अपनी पोटेंशियल एनर्जी होगी ना भाई. नहीं तो मैं बर्नर लगातार कढ़ाई एकदम से रेड हॉट हो जाती ना, तो उसका अपना पोटेंशियल एनर्जी भी तो है. उसके बाद उसे एक और मिनिमम एनर्जी चाहिए. सो आई कैन नॉट स्टार्ट इट विद 0. परफेक्ट. आई होप द कंसेप्ट इज अंडरस्टूड इन अ वेरी वेल वे. If any doubt, raise your hands. No hands are raised. Good to go for another concept. Since I'm using the word biocatalyst, so anyone can ask me, sir, can you please just wait. There is a question in chat box. Bacho, I will never prefer chat box because it will waste your time and my time also. Sir, can you please Exam threshold. Exam threshold. What do you mean, Srujan?
Sir, what is threshold means? Please explain it again. समझा नहीं वो.
अरे थ्रेशोल्ड मतलब होता है बच्चों, आप खाना खाते हैं सृजन? सृजन खाना खाते हैं आप?